In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Safari downloads on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, let's say you have recently downloaded a file and now you are wondering how you can find it. Let me show it in a couple of steps, and the first step is to open up Settings, then search for Safari here. In Safari Settings, we are looking for the option which is called Downloads. Now it says on my iPhone. If we get into it, we can see that it can be iCloud Drive on my iPhone or any other directory if you have changed it before. By default, usually default downloads folder located on my iPhone or at iCloud. Then, once you know where your default download folder is located, you need to open up Files application. That is default Apple file application, so if you don't have this app installed on your device, just head over to the App Store, search for Files in that way, and then just download this app on your device. After that, you will be able to easily find that app if you search for Files in that way. And then, once you open it up, I recommend you first off to head over to Browse, and then hit Browse all the time until you go to Browse main page. And that's where you can easily find two photos here. The first one is iCloud Drive, and the second one is on my iPhone. As we remember, my downloads folder located on my iPhone, so we need to get into that folder, and that's where we can easily find downloads. Now, there are no any file located here because recently I haven't downloaded any files, but if there are some files, you will be able to easily find them, just like so. So you will be able to long press at any file, and then you will be able to download it, to rename it, compress, duplicate, copy, move, share, and do all this stuff from that menu. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.